Jacob, do you know this frescoes? Frescoes is the paint on the wall.
This paint, what it was made
The
of?
paint of the wall that you see, they call it frescoes. Do you know how old they are? Can you imagine?
Yes.
Painting?
When they painted? How many years ago?
That must have been like thousands.
Very close, very nice.
Final answer?
It's a little bit older, something around 2,000 years old. And how they keep it until today? First, the dry area, it's dry. Second, the wide plaster that you see on the wall. Now the system, how to create the plaster, after they put the plaster, the white plaster that you see, if you can see, if you stand later here, you can see that they have another level of plaster, very thin. And when this level wet, then they paint it with the colors. And the paint go into the plaster. By this way, it stay all of these years. Look the plaster that we build our houses today. 2 years later, we need to rebuild,
Replaster.
replaster. 2,000 years, guys.